Good evening, everyone. I welcome you all people IICS new batch third session today. I hope everyone attended last two sessions. So before starting the session, please subscribe my YouTube channel. So that is Raj Informatica Real-Time Hands-on Job-Based Training. So it is having around 35,500 subscribers. So please subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, and in this YouTube channel, we have many videos available like Informatica PowerCenter, Informatica IICS-IDMC, Snowflake, AWS DevOps, okay, Salesforce, cybersecurity, kids coding, Python full stack, Power BI, Tableau, okay, Unix, Oracle. There are different interview questions, scenario-based questions available in this YouTube channel. So I have pinged you in the Zoom chat. So please subscribe my YouTube channel to get more updates. If you like any videos, please comment on them. Also, we have a website called rajinformatica.com. So this is our website. So all the videos, material will be available from this website. So once you join the course, you can see, you can log in and you can check the videos and also videos and material available in this website. Also, you can see the upcoming live sessions. That means any other courses if you want. Tomorrow we have SAP HANA FICO training, and 19th we have Salesforce, and the 20th we have Snowflake, and we have different courses. You can see here. These are all the courses available with us. Okay. So also, if you want to see the reviews about Raj Cloud Technologies, so you can Google search about just Raj Cloud Technologies. Okay, so you can see the Google reviews. That is 1,426 reviews available. Whoever my previous batch students, they have given. So please go through the reviews and you can decide. Okay, so these are the reviews. You can see in the our Google page. This is our Google page. You can see the reviews, please. Okay. So, and you can decide for this. Okay. This is about our website, a YouTube channel, and also Google page. Okay. This is about it. Now I am sending this also. If you just Google search Raj Cloud Technologies, you will come to know all these things. Okay. Now, so as I told you, we are all learning here Informatica IDMC CDA CA. Okay. We have 2 classes completed. Today is the 3rd session. And today is the last day for offer. Okay. So if you want to join today, there is special discount going on 14,450. So we are given till today only. Today the offer is expiring. So you can join the session. If you did not pay the fee till now, you can pay to this number, Google Pay, Phone Pay, I'm sending you. And if you wanted to pay through website, you can pay. And if you want to speak with my team about any doubts or registration doubts or any other doubts, you can contact to these numbers. Okay. So I sent you all the details in the Zoom chat. Okay. Now, okay. Now directly come to the session. So in the last 2 sessions, okay, shall we start the session, guys? Shall we start the session? Everyone, please. Yeah. So in the first session, we have seen about what are the on-premise databases, what are cloud-based databases, and what are on-premise ETL tools, cloud-based ETL tools, and how the name has come Informatica IICS-IDMC. What is IICS, what is IDMC, what and all we have, and what is the difference between IICS and IDMC we have seen in the first session. Okay. In the second session, we have seen how to create a trial account of Informatica IDMC IICS, and we have seen how to install secure agent, that is runtime environment. Also, we have seen how to create the schemas in Oracle. We have seen, and also we have created a source connection and target connection. Okay. So now first I am launching Oracle SQL Developer first. Just launch Oracle SQL Developer. Okay. So yesterday class, I created the tables, right? So those tables, where can we go through first two sessions? So I will send you, please provide your WhatsApp numbers. So everyone, please provide your phone numbers in the Zoom chat. We will send you the first two YouTube links. They are available in YouTube. So we will send you, if you did not join first two sessions, so we will send you the two sessions in the WhatsApp. So everyone, please provide your phone numbers in the Zoom chat. Everyone, guys, can you provide the phone numbers in the Zoom chat, please? Are you there? Are you able to hear me? Can you please reply? Yeah. Okay, so please provide your phone numbers. We will send you the first two videos, and also we will add you to the project WhatsApp group. So there where you can see the many job updates. You can see the Informatica different discussions, Informatica entry questions. So all these things you can see over there. Okay. So please don't unnote. Okay. Yeah, let me clear this annotation. Just hold on. Just hold on, guys. Let me clear this annotation. Yeah. So I cleared the annotation. Yeah. Okay. So that's about it. So please provide your phone numbers if you did not provide. So now, so what we do is first we will launch Oracle. So we have created two schemas, OTSRC Dev1, OTTG Dev1 in the last session. So just connect them. Just connect them. Okay. So it is connected. So in the last session, we have created so many tables. So where these tables, from where we will get it? In the material, I have provided the material, the first two sessions material. In the material, you can see, so this is the material we have. In the material, you can see Oracle tables of data. So the first two notepads you can see. So you can open that notepad and you can copy paste to OTSRC1, and you can, what you can do, you can create the tables. Those tables we will use in our entire sessions. Also, not only this, we have so many huge tables. I'll give that later whenever the time comes. Okay. Yeah. Now, so Oracle I launched. So we have these many tables in source and also target schema. This is target schema. Target schema, we have only one table. Okay. So now what I will do, I will launch Informatica Cloud, Informatica Cloud IICS. How to launch? So you have saved, maybe you have saved these details, the login URL and what is that? And username. Okay. Yes, please. So now what we will do, we will launch now. So to launch, open Google Chrome and open new incognito mode. Okay. In new incognito mode, what we will do is, so copy this. This link you could have got to email. So 1 second, guys, hold on. Just 1 second, please. Yeah, okay. So now what you do is, in real time, your team lead or your client will give this link. They will give user ID password. Later you can change the password. In real time, who will give the Informatica Cloud link? So either your team lead or your client manager or client lead will give this link. They will also provide username password. Okay, you don't need to create anything when you go to real time. So what you do is you can change the password later once login first time. So same there also you need to copy paste like this and copy the username. Okay, copy the username here. So first copy the URL in incognito mode. In real time also you have to do in incognito mode. Usually incognito will be, mode will be faster than normal mode. So better use in incognito mode. So then use the username. So this is a username. Okay. And the password. So I am giving the password here. So you should remember all these things, please. Okay. Or you need to note it down somewhere. So once you log in, the first thing you need to do is you need to check whether services are running or not. Whether the services which shown in the last session are running or not. How to check? Go to administrator first. Go to administrator. Once you go to the administrator, just folder it is logging in. Yeah. So now what you do is go to runtime environment. Okay. Now you have to see your computer name here. And now you have to check whether services are running or not. Now I will show you now. See, if you see here, we need two services to work with CDI first. We are working with CDI. We require only two services. What is that? Data integration server, common integration components. If you see here, data integration server 2 times. But you don't need to confuse which is the latest version. Data integration service 73.0.1, data integration server 73.0.2. This should be running. Okay. And both is not running. So what you have to do now, because both are not running, okay, you search with secure agent. You search with Informatica secure agent if they are not running. Common integration server components and data integration server. Okay, latest versions. Suppose we have common integration server components three times it is. Check the versions. Okay, like data integration server, we have 2 times. Okay, so the old version is still there. Leave it, but this should be only this should be up and running, and this should be up and running. Okay, these two should be up and running. So because they are not running, what you do is search with secure agent in the search bar here. In the search bar, search with secure agent. Maybe you will also get this same error. Search with secure agent. So secure agent will be somewhere here. Now restart the secure agent. Restart. So when you restart it, the secure agent will shut down and run up. Okay, shut down and it will run up again. Okay, understood everyone? Are you clear, guys? How to restart the services? So you have to wait for some time. Okay, there is no other way. Once the secure agent is shutting down, and also it will run automatically. Okay, it will restart automatically. So you can refresh it to see the status. You can refresh here always. See, all are stopped now. Once they are up and running, now see, it is the secure agent is starting up. Maybe this will also start up now if you refresh. Okay, this will also sometime it will start up. If they don't start up, we need to restart the system. If it is getting the error like this again and again, then we need to restart the system. There is no other way. Okay, so let's see again. If it is not starting up, then the secure agent is local to our computer. Yes. Okay, this is stopping and stopping. One more you can do is you can go to services. You can search services here. Okay, open. Here you can restart Informatica. See here, it is status is stopped, no nothing. Right click, start. You can do like this also. Either you can do there or here. See now it is also starting up. You can do here or here, anywhere. Okay, so both are same. Now it is running. See, if first I started here, it is stopping. Then what I do, I went to services and I right clicked and restarted. Now see, go to administrator and refresh. In real time, you don't need to do all these things. Your Informatica administrator will take care. Your Informatica IICS admin will take care. Process server is shut down, not a problem. If process server is not up and running, not a problem. Leave it. Don't think about it. Later I'll tell about process server. Okay. Now see, they are starting up. We need to wait for it. We need to wait for it. Okay. Yes, please. So we'll wait for 2-3 minutes. They are starting up. See here also their agent core is running. Okay. In real time, you no need to do anything. Okay. It will be start, but you need to check whether they are started or not. You need to check they are running or not. But if they are stopped, then your Informatica administrator will take care. You can write an email to Informatica administrator. He will take care about it in real time. Okay. So it is taking some more time. Just hold on. Just hold on 1 minute. So meanwhile, have you created, anybody created the connections? Anybody created source and target connections? Everyone, guys? I did install Oracle as per the given instructions, but it does not have any default connection added. How do you do that? WhatsApp us to our numbers will help you. Okay, WhatsApp us to our numbers will help you. Okay. So if you are facing any difficulties, in creating in installing the softwares, please WhatsApp us. The numbers which I have provided the numbers, right? So these are the numbers. You can WhatsApp to any number. Okay, our team will help you. So this is our numbers. Okay. So now refresh again. Yeah, now see please. Now see guys, common integration components, only one, it is up and running. Now data integration, there are two. These two no need to run, okay? Only the latest one. Which is the latest one? This is 73 dot. This is 14th May created. This is 14th May created. Okay, and this is 15th May created. Okay, today created. Just now. Just now, last updated time is just now. Okay. So this and this should be up and running. That's it. If they are up and running, then we are ready to go. Okay. Are you clear, guys? Everyone, are you clear? How to register the services? In services, what we need to search for? So go to services, and search for Informatica. Click on any service, click on I, just press I. Then this one, Informatica Cloud Secure Agent. This you should start. If it is not, if the status is empty, then you should start this. Okay. Are you clear, guys? Everyone? Understanding? Please reply. So did you understand how to check the services? If they are not running, how to start? Are you clear, guys? Please reply, everyone. I need the replies, please. Okay, now check the connections. Now check the connections. Here, cloud connections in the left side. So these two connections you can see here. It will take some time. These two are there. So now what is our requirement? Our requirement is, so as I told you in the last session, our requirement is the source table is, we have a source target. Okay. Source database, target database, source schema, target schema, source table, target table. Okay, these details we have it already. Okay, so what is source database? Oracle. What is source schema? OT-SRC Dev 1. Okay. In real time, do we have Secure Agent installed in our local computer? May or may not be. Okay. Secure Agent may be installed in your local computer, may not be installed in your local computer. So that will be decided by your administrator. Sometimes maybe yes, sometimes maybe no. Okay. You don't need to worry about it. In the server machine, it will be, or sometimes your machine also will act as server. So they will decide and they will tell you, you don't need to worry about it. Now table customers. Okay, target database is also Oracle. Target schema, OT, TGT Dev 1. And target table, what is the target table name? Customers TGT. Customers TGT. Okay. So now we need to create a mapping for this. We have created the connections. Source and target connections are ready. Now we need to create a mapping. So how to create a mapping? Where we need to go to create a mapping? Can I create a mapping in administrator? Can I create a Informatica cloud mapping in IICS in administrator? So you have to go to data integration. So click on this one and here data integration, right click, data integration. Okay. You have to go to data integration. First, what you need to do? So we created the connections. What in Informatica administrator? We created the source and target connections. Now, next, what we need to do? We need to go to Informatica data integration. Informatica data integration. Okay. In here, we need to create a mapping. So how to create a mapping? So it is opening, just hold on. Just hold on. Yeah. So now, so this is the data integration window. So this is how it looks. In the left side, we have home, explore, bundles, my jobs. Okay. And here the organization name, Rajco Technologies. And these are the notifications. This is the profile settings. Okay. And this is how we have the secure agent. So all these things like this we have. Okay. So now what we need to do is, first what we need to do? First we need to create a project. Then we need to create a folder. In the data integration, create a project one time. This is create a project. Create a project. Next, create a folder. So where in Informatica data integration, you need to create a project. How to create? Go to explore. And then here if you see new project import. So click on new project. We need to create a project name. So anything, okay. So project name, I'm giving Raj Cloud PRJ or PRJ underscore Raj Cloud, something like this. PRJ underscore Raj Cloud. We are creating it, or project one we can create anything. Okay. Or we can create project one. So anything, please. Okay. You can give any name. Okay. In real time, what we do, PRJ underscore, we will start. PRJ underscore Raj Cloud. Okay. So just hold on, guys. Hold on a second. Hold on a second. Just hold on. Okay. So somebody is asking project name in IIC is similar to folder name in project is similar to repository. Folder in the PowerCenter, if you compare, this project name will be similar to repository name, and the folder name is a folder name. Okay. So you can give any name, guys. Okay. So I am giving a name called PRJ underscore Raj Cloud, or any name it can be. So I am saving it. Okay. So once you save this, PRJ underscore Raj Cloud. So open this, just click on it. When you click on it, see, we are in all projects, PRJ Raj Cloud. Okay, we are on where? We are under all projects. Okay. And PRJ Raj Cloud. Now click on new folder. Click on new folder. So in the folder, we can give batch or something. I'm just giving a folder name called batch. Okay. Now you can click on this batch. So now whatever the mappings we create, so the mappings will be here. Okay. Understanding, everyone? Are you clear, please? So if you want to go back again, if you are in home, for example, You can go to explore. For example, you can have multiple projects, multiple folders, anything. That's your wish. Go to explore. Then you can create a project or you can enter into the project. This is the project. And click on the batch. So this is how you need to go to the project. So now what we are doing here, we are doing a mapping. So what kind of mapping we are doing? Next one. So we are doing a mapping. So we have a source, we have a target. So source name is customers, target name is customers TGT. Okay. So while doing the mapping, in between we'll use a filter transformation. In between we'll use a filter transformation. In filter transformation, what we will give? We will filter out, cust ID less than 10. Customer ID is less than 10. Only those records will send to target. Can we do the mapping for this now? Did you understand the requirement? Did you understand the requirement, please, everyone? So we have a source, we have a target. So we have a source in Oracle source schema, target in Oracle's target schema. We have a table, that is customers TGT. So we have 310 records here. So we'll read 310 records from customers table. Okay. And we'll send only 10, we'll send only 9 records. Customer ID less than 10 means only 9 records will go to target. So this is our requirement. For that, what we have done? First, what we have done? We have seen the secure agent up or not. And number 2, what we have done? We created source and target connections. Then we came to data integration and we created a project and we created a folder. In this folder, we'll create all the mappings. So now we need to create a mapping first. How to create a mapping? So in the data integration, click on new. Click on new. Here we can see tasks, data integration replication, mappings, maplets, task flows, components. We have many things. We'll see each and every one in the future sessions. I will tell each and every one, please. You don't need to worry. I'll tell all these things I will tell. Each and every one I will tell. Now we need to create a mapping. So click on mapping. Click on plus new and click on mapping, then create. Then create. Now see, is the mapping is created, guys? Is the mapping created automatically? So this is how you need to create a mapping. After that, save. So please don't forget to save. Always you need to save. Hold on a second. Yeah. So in PowerCenter, when you create a mapping, it will not show any source and target. You have to drag the source, drag the target. Correct. In PowerCenter. Is that correct, guys? In PowerCenter, data integration equivalent to PowerCenter developer. Yeah. Mapping designer. You can say this is mapping designer, like that. In PowerCenter, when we create a mapping, just it will create an empty mapping. Then we need to drag the source, drag the target. But here it is different. The source and target will automatically comes. Now let's see the options here. The left side window. So this is Informatica data integration, and this is the organization name, and these are the notifications. Okay, these are the notifications, and this is a profile. Okay, this is a profile and your email ID, your username, and the left side window is called navigation window. This is mapping canvas. We will call it as mapping canvas. Okay. So in here we will call it as mapping canvas. And these are the some suggestions it will give. And this is arrange all. This is delete, cut, This is copy, paste. This is zoom in, zoom out. And then save, run, undo, redo. And these are the parameters, variables. We can create the mapping variables here, parameters. And you can validate the mapping. And ELT query you can generate. So like this, we have many options. Okay. And the transformations. So in the mapping canvas, you can see the transformations in the left side. Source transformation, target transformation, access policy, aggregator transformation, data masking, expression, filter, hierarchy builder, hierarchy parser, Java, joiner, lookup, maplet, normalizer, rank, router, sequence generator, sorter, SQL transformation, structure parser transformation, transaction control transformation, union transformation, velocity transformation, web services transformation. I'll tell all these transformations one by one. Okay, on the daily basis, we will complete 1 or 2 transformations on each day. All transformations I will cover. You don't need to worry. So this is about the transformations. This is navigation window. This is the transformation window. This is mapping canvas. Now the main thing, the very important thing is the downside one, properties window. This downside one is called the properties window. In this properties window, so please listen carefully. This is very important. Okay. So in the properties window, just hold on. Yeah. In the properties window, so this is mapping name, whether it is valid or invalid. And if you see here, this is minimize button, this is maximize button, this is restore button. Now see please, I'll observe carefully. If I click on minimize, this properties window will minimize. If I click on maximize, this will maximize. If I click on restore, this will become half. Are you clear, everyone? So the properties window, minimize, restore, maximize. So we'll be always in restore. Yes, guys, understanding? Now, see please, when I click on here, the mapping is selected. The blue border is there for the mapping. That is why it is showing mapping properties. The downside window is called mapping properties. So I am changing the mapping name. So just click on this empty space so that the entire mapping will select. Now the name you can rename as M underscore. What is the target table name? M underscore customers TGT. M underscore customers TGT. Where it is located in under project Raj Cloud in batch folder. Now see please, save now. You rename the mapping and save. See, is the mapping name is changed? Is the mapping name is changed, guys? How to change? Click on this. You don't click on source and target. Click on the empty space. Then come here and change it and save. Always save. Otherwise, you have to do again. Always save, please. Are you clear, guys? How to change the mapping name? Did you understand, please, everyone? Yes. Okay. So now, so this is about mapping. Mapping rename is over. Now, we need to configure the source and target. How to configure the source and target? Click on source. See, this is, see, in IICS, the source also on transformation, target also on transformation. Don't confuse. So what is the source name? It has given default source. Target name, see, when I click on source, it is changing the properties. See, please. When I click on source, it is asking, it is showing general, source, fields, partitions. When I click on target, the border will come, blue border will come for the target. Now it is asking general, incoming fields, target, target fields, field mapping. First, we will configure the source. First, you no need to rename. If you don't rename, also it will work. If you want to rename, you can click on source, name. What is source name? Customers. You can rename the source. Understood, everyone? Are you clear, guys? Just rename the source. Renaming will not help you. Renaming means to display. That's it. Now you need to really configure it. How to configure it? Go to source. Click on source. The blue border should be visible. Now in the downside window, click on source. Now it is asking source connection, source type, and remaining things. Now click on this arrow mark. Whatever the connections we have here, in the Informatica administrator, we have two connections, CON and OTSRC Dev 1, CON and OTTG Dev 1. The same connections it is showing here. Whatever the connections, if you have 10 connections here, all the 10 connections it will show here. So which is our source connection? This one. Click on source connection. Are you clear, guys? Click on source, rename the source, then click on source here in the downside. Now select the connection, source type. How many sources we have? As per our requirement, how many source tables we have? As per our requirement, how many source tables we have? Quickly, guys. As per our requirement, how many sources we have? One source. So you have to select single object. If you have multiple sources, you can select multiple objects. These options I'll show you later. When I tell about source transformations, I'll tell later. Today I'm doing a simple mapping. So by default, single object. Now you need to select the single object. Which object it is? Which object it is? Customers, correct? So select it. Now tell me, where is our source table? Where is our source table? In Oracle. So whatever see here, it is showing all the schemas in Oracle. OTSRC Dev 1. In OTSRC Dev 1, it is showing all the tables. How it is showing these tables? Whatever the tables in OTSRC Dev 1, the same tables it is showing here. How? Because of the secure agent. While you are creating the connection, you are giving a secure agent here. While you are creating a connection, okay, if you edit the connection, it is taking some time. So by using secure agent, see, this is a secure agent name. How we are pulling the data to, so this is Informatica, okay? This is Informatica mapping. Correct. We have a source table is in Oracle. This is Oracle, for example. This is Oracle. We have source table in Oracle. Correct. How we are getting this source table to Informatica? This is Informatica actually. This is Informatica Cloud. Informatica Cloud data integration. Correct. We created a source connection in administrator by using the secure agent. So we are pulling the data from Oracle to Informatica. How? By using a secure agent. How? By using a secure agent. So what secure agent will do? Secure agent will establish a connection. Secure agent will establish a connection between your database. Where is your database in your system? To cloud. See, whatever we are saving here, for example, I am saving this mapping. Okay, for example, I am selecting, I am just saving this mapping, for example. Now, where this will save? This will save in Informatica Cloud server. Informatica Cloud, it will not, this mapping will not save in our system. This mapping will never save in our system. It will save in this account. This account it will save. Where this account will save? Account will save in Informatica Cloud. Informatica company, they are having a server space that is called cloud. There it will say how it is saving by using secure agent. Secure agent will establish a connection between your local computer to Informatica Cloud. And also it will establish a connection between the database to Informatica. Are you clear, please? What is secure agent? Did you understand the secure agent, please? So why require a secure agent? Secure agent, see, in PowerCenter, if you save the mapping, in Informatica PowerCenter, if you save the mapping, that mapping will save in our system. Because in server machine actually, the server machine will be in our system only, if I install. But cloud will not be there in any system. Okay. So in real time, sometimes secure agent will be in the server machine, company server machine, or in our machine also. That will be decided by team lead. Sorry, that will be decided by Informatica admin. So when I save it, this data, all the data will not save in any repository table. In PowerCenter, when we save it, the data will be saved in metadata tables. But in IICS, it will not save under, we don't have metadata table at all here. In IICS, we don't have any metadata tables. These will save under Informatica server directly, Informatica cloud server. How? By using the secure agent. So now click on single object, click on select and select the source table, that is customers. Select the source table, that is customers. Click on OK. Click on OK. So now when we click on OK, what will happen? Please observe. So we are configuring the source connection. So we are configuring the source object, that is source table. So just hold on, it will take some time. Yes, guys, correct. Are you clear? So now see, so the source connection, OTSRC1 customers is selected. Yes, please. Now save. Always save, please. At the every point of time, please save. Otherwise, you need to do it again. Yes, guys. Understanding? Are you clear, please? Yes. Now, see, when I select the source table, now see, just renaming is different, configuring is different. If you don't need rename also, it can work. But if you want to rename, you can rename. Now see the fields now. Still I am under source, query options, advanced options and all I will tell later. Okay, these and all I will tell later. As of now, not required. We are doing a simple mapping today. Now click on fields. Now what? These are the source fields. Customer ID, name, address, website, credit limit, data type, precision, scale, origin. Origin means from where it is. This or belongs to this table. These are belongs to customer table. Okay. Now source is done. Source is done, saved. Our source configuration is done, saved. Now click on target. Now we need to configure the target. Same. Change the target name. What is the target name? Customers TGT. Click on target. On the downside properties, this is the target table name. See, customers TGT is changed. Yes, guys? Understanding? Everyone? Now, same way, we need to configure the target. Now, in the downside, click on the target. In the downside, click on the target. So once we click on the target, same. It is asking connection. So in the downside, select the connection ODDG dev 1. Okay. Same target as per our requirement, only one target. So single object only. We don't have multiple object option in target. Only in source we have multiple objects option, but in target only one option, that is single object. Now object select. Click on select. When you select, it is showing one table in ODDG dev 1. Click on OK. Click on OK. Yes, please. So it will take some time. In real time, it will work faster. This is trial version, that's why it is slow. But in real time, it will work faster. You don't need to worry about it. Okay. So just hold on 1 minute. Yeah. So the operation, we have the operation insert, update, upsert, delete, data driven. I'll tell those things later. Truncate target, I'll tell later. Enable bulk load, I'll tell later. Advanced, I'll tell later. These are all we'll tell later. As of now, we configured just the target. We renamed the target and we selected it. And target fields you can check. So customer ID, name, address, website, credit limit. What is the origin? OTTGT, day 1, customers TGT. Now save it. Save. Always save, please. So now next what we need to do? We need to do the filter. See, you cannot maximize or minimize this. That's it, okay? So you cannot see in PowerCenter when we double click, it will open in a box. But if you double click also, nothing will open here. It is like this only. That's it. Okay. Now what I will do? I will create a filter. How to create filter? Scroll down in the left side. Alphabetical order transformations are there. Drag the filter to here. Drag the filter to here. That's it. Okay. Yes, guys. So it was like this. It was like this. So what I did, I just scroll down as per the alphabetical order, the given filter. I dragged it and dropped it. So if you want, you can change the filter transformation name. Now, see, these are source properties. These are target properties. These are filter properties. Now, what is filter transformation name? You can give any name. I am giving FIL underscore. We are doing filter on customer ID, correct? Customer ID. So I am giving FIL underscore customer ID. So that is the filter name. You can give any name. Now we need to give the filter condition. Click on filter. In filter, you can do two types. Either you can give simple filter or advanced filter. How to give simple filter? So what you need to do? Click on filter. Click on filter transformation. The border should come to filter. In the left side, click on filter. Now automatically simple will show. Now if you want to add a condition, click on plus. So it will show all the field names. Customer ID is less than 10. This is how you need to give it. If you want customer ID is less than 10 and customer ID greater than 1, you want, for example, then you can give plus. You can give plus again. Here again you can select customer ID greater than 1. You can give like this also. If you have AND operator, it will automatically work as AND operator. But instead of all doing, the easiest method, you can delete it. Click on advanced. Easiest is click on advanced and click on define filter condition. Here you can write it. Add customer ID is less than 10 and whatever you want, you can write it as per the filter condition. So what you have to do? Just click on filter. In the downside, click on filter. Then what you have to do? In the advanced, click on advanced. When you click on advanced, it will show. Then define filter condition. So in the filter condition, you can write it customer ID or add customer ID less than 10. Validate. So if you don't give correctly, if you validate, then it will give error. Okay. So customer ID less than 10. Click on validate. So in this here, you can see we have fields, system variables, parameters, built-in functions, user-defined function, many things I'll explain later. Validate, click on OK. Now click on save. Now if you see everything we have done, right? We have configured source. We have configured source. We have configured target. We have configured filter. We have given filter condition also. Everything is done. Still my mapping is invalid. Still my mapping is invalid. Why? Because you need to do one last step. What is that last step is? Please understand carefully. This is very important step. Anyways, that I will tell on daily basis. But please try to understand. In PowerCenter, see, if you know PowerCenter, IICS is dead easy. IICS is easier than PowerCenter to work. Okay, but only thing is you must know PowerCenter. If you don't know PowerCenter, you have to learn PowerCenter first, then come to IICS. Why? Because, see please, first source table, it is having fields. So where? From customer head, from customer table. Now, when I drag a link to filter, all the columns one by one, how? See, in PowerCenter, I have 10 columns here. You can drag only one column to filter, correct? In PowerCenter, if you have 10 columns in source, you can drag only 2 columns to filter, yes or no? Is that right, guys? You no need to drag all 10, correct? You can drag only 2 if you want. But in IICS, it is not like that. When you connect it, whatever, if you have 100 columns in source, all will come to filter. Now, if you don't want, then what to do? I will tell in the next session. Don't confuse. You can exclude them. You can exclude them in filter, but I will tell later. As of now, what I am trying to say is, when the link is established between source to filter, whatever the columns in, if I have 100 columns in source, all will come to filter. How to know? Click on filter. Incoming fields. The filter is taking the columns from source. Those are called incoming fields. Now see the incoming fields. The incoming fields are from customers only again. I am just selecting customers of the filter. So here click on incoming fields. These fields has come from source to filter. Understood everyone? Are you clear, guys? Very simple. Please understand. Source, how many columns we have? In source, how many columns we have? When you configure the source, automatically source columns will come here. How many columns? Let me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 columns are there. How many columns in there in the source? 5 columns. When I established a link source, correct, okay. Target also how many columns? Target also having 5 columns. Source already having 5 columns. Target already having 5 columns, correct? Yes or no, guys? These are source columns from OTSRC Dev 1 customers. These are target columns from OTTGT Dev 1, customers underscore TGT. So this is 1 second. Let me show you. Yeah, see now. When you zoom out, it will show. See now. OTTGT Dev 1, customers TGT. If you see the source is customers fields. So source having 5 columns, target having 5 columns. Are you clear about it? Source having 5 columns, target having 5 columns. Are you clear about it? Now, when a filter, nothing is having. When you create a filter, if you want, I'll create again. See, please. I'll just delete. Now nothing is there between source and target. So source is having 5 columns. Target is having 5 columns. Now take filter. I am taking filter. Filter, do we have any columns? See now. Do we have any incoming fields in filter? Do we have any incoming fields in filter? Do we have any incoming fields in filter, please? No, why? Why it does not have? Why filter does not have any incoming fields? It is not connected. Now see, I will connect source to filter. I'll connect, just drag it to here. Now see, please. Now click on filter, incoming fields. Whatever the source columns, all has come to, filter, correct? So now in the filter, click on filter, advanced, click on filter, advanced. Okay. Define filter condition. Customer ID is less than 10. I'm giving. Click on OK. Done. Now in target, we have only target fields, correct? In target, we have only target fields. Now what I am doing? I am connecting filter to target. I am connecting filter to target. See guys, one thing you observe, please. Source is having source columns. When I drag to filter, filter is having incoming fields. Target, it is having target fields. But target does not have any incoming fields, correct? In target, do we have any incoming fields? Target having target fields. Whatever the target columns, target table columns, we have it. But target incoming fields, this is under target incoming, nothing. Now, I'm just connecting to target. Now, see please, target having two types of columns now. One are the columns which are there in the table and the incoming fields. Did you understand the difference, please? Are you clear, guys? Everyone? Source, it is a starting point. So no incoming fields for source, only fields will be there. Now filter, because I drag it to filter, we got 5 incoming fields from source. Target, already having target fields 5. And I dragged again, incoming fields 5 has come to target. So this, if you don't understand, leave it. In the next session, you will understand better. Now the last step, what we need to do is, we need to do the field mapping. Why? Because invalid. Click on target, field mapping. Now see please, these are the incoming fields from source and these are the target fields. You can map it, drag customer ID to customer ID, name to name, address to address, website to website, credit limit to credit limit, you can drag it and save it. Now the mapping will become valid. Now the mapping will become valid. Are you clear, guys? We have to do one time field mapping at last in target. So this is incoming fields from source to target. These fields already in the target. Now we need to map. If you have 100 columns, how to map? For example, I'm deleting all. I'm deleting clear mapping. I'm deleting all. Once. I'm just clearing. Yeah, now see please, there are no field mappings. So if you want to automatically map, then what you do? You can click on smart map. When you click on here in the auto map, click on smart map. So automatically it will take the name and it map. Then save it. Are you clear, guys? If you don't understand this last concept, don't worry. But the last step, you need to do the field mapping from source to target. So either drag it. In filter, we map any field to another field. I will tell you. Don't worry about it. It requires so much of explanation. I will tell you in the next session. Yes, guys? Understanding? Everyone? So you have to do the field mapping at last. Now save it. Now mapping is completed. The mapping is completed. Okay? So now I will tell you. Informatica PC. Just 5 minutes, guys. We'll end in the 5 minutes. Informatica Cloud. Okay? Informatica PC, Informatica Cloud, Informatica PowerCenter, Informatica Cloud. In Informatica, we have to create a mapping first. After create mapping, what you need to do in PowerCenter? In PowerCenter, what we have to do after creating a mapping? We have to create a session task. After that, once we create a session task, what to do? In PowerCenter? In PowerCenter, what we need to do after session task? Workflow. We need to create a workflow. Then run the workflow. Same way, we have a mapping in Informatica Cloud also. Session task, like this, we have mapping task here. Like session task, we have mapping task. Like workflow, we have task flow. Okay? Mapping, same mapping. Session task, like that we have mapping task here. Workflow, task flow. Now tell me, once we create a mapping, without creating session and workflow, can we run a mapping? Can we run a mapping without creating a session and workflow in PowerCenter? No. Correct. Now, can we create a session task? Can we run a session task, only session task, without creating a workflow in PowerCenter? Can we create a session task without creating a workflow? No. Can we run a workflow after creation of mapping? After creation of mapping and session task, after creating a mapping and session task, can we run a workflow? Can we run a workflow? Yes. But in IICS, can we run a mapping? Yes, you can run. Only mapping you can run without creating a task. In session, only session mapping task and mapping, yes. Okay, task flow, yes. In cloud, you can run. There is a run option here. I did not create any task, correct? Did I create any task, guys? Did I create any? After the mapping is valid, you can see you can validate here. Okay, validation, mapping is valid, like that. There is a run button, you can run, but in real time, we will not do like that. We will not do. For testing purpose only this is. If you wanted to, in real time, if you want to do the proper mapping, then you need to create a mapping task or mapping configuration task. In mapping, there are less options available. But like the session properties we have session properties in PowerCenter. The same way, here also we have session properties in mapping configuration task. So once we create a mapping, so what we have done, create a project, create a folder, then create a mapping. We created the mapping, then we configure the source, correct? Configure the source, correct? These are the steps we have done. Configure the source, then configure the target, correct? Configure the target, yes please. Then create a filter, create and configure the filter, configure the filter, then do the field mapping. At last step, do the field mapping. This is very important. Without field mapping will not be valid. Do the field mapping, save. Last one is save. This is what we have done till now. Now we need to create a mapping configuration task or mapping task. How to create? This mapping is done. This is the mapping under Project Raj Cloud batch. Now click on new again. Click on new. The first option, tasks. What are the types of tasks we have? Do we load target while running a mapping in IDMC? Yes, it will load. It will load the data into target. It will load the data to target. Yes, please. Understanding, everyone? Are you clear? Just hold on. 1 second, guys. Please hold on. Yeah, okay. So now, what are the types of tasks available in IDMC? What are the types of tasks available under PowerCenter? We have session task, email task, command task, event wait, event raise, decision task, assignment task, okay, then timer task. Okay, so these are the tasks available under PowerCenter. But in IICS, we have mapping task, synchronization task, masking task, replication task, PowerCenter task, data transfer task. First one is, I'll show you all these things later. First, select mapping task. Click on new, tasks, mapping tasks, create. Now see please, in the left side, there are two windows. One is mapping. When you click on left side mapping, the mapping will open. Or if you click on mapping task will open. Now the mapping task name is what? MCT. The naming convention is MCT. MCT underscore, M underscore, customers TGT. Customers TGT. So this is what? MCT means mapping configuration task or mapping task. We will call it as mapping configuration task. The name is mapping task. Where it is created? Project Raj Cloud batch. Runtime environment is very important for everything. You need to select your computer name, that is secure agent. Now the mapping, we have only one mapping. That mapping it will show here. We have only one mapping under this folder. If you have 10 mappings or 100 mappings, all mappings it will show. You can select the mapping. Select. When you select, the mapping image also it will show. The mapping image also it will show. Now, once it is done, this is general information. Click on next. Now here if you see, we have many options available. We have schedule option, email notifications, okay, advanced options, parameter file location, execution mode, ELT optimization, and we have advanced select properties options. We have many options available, please. You can drag down like this. We have many options. I'll show you all the options in the later session. As of now, just don't select anything, not required. But we have these options which not be available. Why we need to create mapping task? Why we cannot run only mapping? Because these options we have in mapping task. Just what we need to do first, we need to rename the task name, that is mapping configuration task name, and select the runtime environment. Click on next. Okay, click on next and then save. Click on next and save. Once you save, this task will be valid and now run. Now you can run. So you need to create the task flow. Task flow is for different purpose. I'll tell you about the task flow later. You can, in real time, we will create mapping configuration task. Task flow will be used for different purpose. I'll tell that later. You need to create a task flow for everything. Directly, you can run a mapping configuration task, mapping task. Click on run. When you run, it is showing started MCTM customers TGT view in my jobs. Click on my jobs. Either you go to my jobs or you can go to monitor. Here, click on this data integration and go to monitor. And go to monitor, it will show better view. It will show mapping task is similar to session task, correct? Mapping task is similar to session task. Okay, so you go to monitor, or here also you can see, you can click on this. Okay, but monitor it will show better. See now, I am still in under my jobs. In the data integration only, under my jobs, in the left side, my jobs is there. So row processed 9, success. If you click on it, it will show the jobs available under. The customers is having 390 records, success rows, target 9 records loaded, affected rows 9 records, errors. You can download the session log. If you click on download session log, it will download to your system. It will ask the download. You can open the download. You can open it. Once you download it, you can download and you can see. Okay, you can directly download the session log. Now see the monitor. This is the monitor, Informatica monitor, running jobs, all jobs, import, export, transfer logs. Click on this. See now, customers TGT. This is how you need to do the mapping. Are you clear, guys? Understanding? So guys, if you did not provide the phone numbers, please provide the phone numbers. Please provide your phone numbers to add you in the project group to send you the first two mappings. Can we see session log in GUI similar to PC? No. This is only that's it. Session log you cannot see in GUI. You have to download and you have to open in Notepad only. Okay, there is only one option, that is download session log. Okay, guys. Yes, please. Are you clear? Understanding, everyone? So is the session is interesting, guys? Is the session is interesting? Did you understand today's session? So please create this mapping today. Please create this mapping today. Yes, guys. So as I told you, if you want to send the first two videos, please WhatsApp us. Please WhatsApp us. We will send the first two videos. And also please provide your phone numbers if you did not provide. Please provide your phone numbers if you did not provide, guys. Okay. So as I told you, today is a special offer going on. So if you join today, so that is today the last day today to provide the discount. If you join today, there is only 14,450. Okay. How can I get material Oracle table? So you will get the access. If you paid, then please WhatsApp us. Whatever the numbers I provided. So please WhatsApp us to these numbers. We will give the access to you. Okay, you don't need to worry about it. Yes, please. So we'll give the access to you if you pay the full fee. So somebody is asking question, mapping session workflow in PC, mapping task in IDMC, correct? Yes. Yes, that is right. Yes, please. So if you want to pay, you can pay to this number and enroll. If you want to pay, you can pay to this number and enroll, please. Okay? Yes, guys. Are you clear? Demo video, I will send you both the sessions. I'll send you both the session videos. Yes, please. Clear, guys? Understanding? Yeah, we'll send all the 3 videos. No need to worry. We'll send all the 3 videos. Okay. Yes, guys. So before winding up, so this is our Raj Informatica official website. Okay. So hold on a second, guys. So my team Karthik might have asked you the phone numbers. So in the Zoom chat, so please provide the phone numbers to him. Okay. So if you did not given, please provide the phone numbers to him. If you did not given, if you provided, that is fine. If you provided, that is fine. Okay. So if you did not provide it, please provide the phone numbers. So this is our Raj Informatica website. So in this website, you can see the upcoming live batches, live sessions, demo sessions for any other courses. So we have the courses available. We have 2 timings. As I told you, we have 2 timings. So that is 8:30 to 10:30 a.m. IST and 8:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. IST. Okay, you can join any session. Whatever session I'll tell you. Next session will be maybe tomorrow, day after tomorrow. I'll let you know about it. Okay, I'll let you know about the next session. Yes, please. It will be either tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Okay. Yes, guys. So that's about it. So now, please go through our website. So that is, if you want to join, how to contact other people, we'll create a WhatsApp group. What is the difference between CDI and CAI? CAI is extension of CDI. CDI is the basic one. So CDI is the major. Majorly we'll use CDI. Once we're done, then we will, once we complete CDI, then we'll go to CI. Okay. Once we'll go to CDI, then we'll go to CI. So any questions, please ask me in the Zoom chat. So we have SAP, HANA, FICO, Salesforce, cybersecurity, Azure Data Engineering, Databricks, AWS DevOps, Snowflake DBTDF, Informatica PowerCenter, Informatica IDMC, ISCS, GCP, Power BI, Python for Kids, Python full stack, Python that is a Python for artificial intelligence, okay, and ChatGPT we have, and Tableau, Power BI. So these are the courses we have. You can refer your friends or your family members if they want any course, okay. And also you can see the reviews. You can just Google search on Rastro Technologies. You can see the reviews about my previous students who has given. Okay. Yes, please. So please see the reviews, and you can see the reviews from the students. They all the people got the jobs. Many people whoever joined, whoever practiced well, whoever attended the interviews, whoever practiced well, they all got the jobs, and they are doing the jobs without any job support. Okay. So please. So you can Google search and you can review the reviews. Also, this is our YouTube channel. This is our Raj Informatica website. So please subscribe our YouTube channel. So I'm sending you the YouTube channel link again. So please subscribe this and please comment and like the videos. So we have many useful videos. In our website, we have different materials available, different interview questions available in our website. Please go through that and see you in the next session, guys. Okay. Thank you all. Thanks for joining. See you in the next session. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you all. Thanks, guys.